Kumusta mga kabayan? Nandito tayo sa national model dito sa Lago del Sol Falls, built by Lennar Homes. 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage, single story. Tingnan natin to. Kumusta mga kabayan? Kung bago kayo sa channel na ito, ang ginagawa ko ay tinutur ko kayo sa iba't ibang bagong tayong communities at model homes sa iba't ibang parte ng Las Vegas at Henderson. Kaya kung interesado kayo sa mga bagong bahay o nagbabalak kayong lumipat, bumili o magbenta ng property dito sa Las Vegas, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, like this video at i-hit nyo na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa real estate market dito. Kumusta mga kabayan? Nandito tayo sa Lago del Sol Falls, made by Lennar, the builder. Nandito po tayo sa Lake Las Vegas, Henderson. It's just south of Las Vegas po ito. Dito sa area nito, there's lots of amenities, family and adult pools, state-of-the-art fitness center dito sa loob ng Lake Las Vegas. May tennis and pickleball courts, nice golf courses, tapos yung mga lakeside na restaurants, marami rin dito. World-class resort hotels, malapit rin dito sa Lake Las Vegas. May mga live music and entertainment, malapit sa mga hiking trails if you like hiking. Tapos may Seasons Grocery and Deli dito that is open at the Village at Lake Las Vegas. So ito po is 20 minutes to Lake Mead, yung recreational park if you want to go there. 25 minutes to the airport at mga 30 minutes sa Las Vegas Strip. So may tatlong single-story homes dito na model or available dito sa community na dito. So may isa na next gen, it's called the Riviera model and I'll show that to you later. Tapos yung range ng living square feet dito is 2,310 to 2,585 square feet. Tapos yung base price range naman, it starts from $639,000, $990 to $685,000 and $990. $685,990. Tapos of course, the builder has his own discretion to change the price range. But when you buy it here, spec homes na siya, so it's already pre-selected na yung mga options and they'll give you the price for the spec homes. Sige, let's tour the homes. Kumusta mga kabayan? Nandito tayo sa Lake Las Vegas, just south of Las Vegas, pero nandito to sa Henderson. So, tinitingnan natin ngayon yung nandito tayo sa Lago del Sol Falls Community. Yung tinitingnan natin ngayon is a national model. This one has 2,310 square feet, 3 beds, 2 bath, 2-car garage. It's a single story. And the base price starts at $639,990. So again, nandito tayo sa Lake Las Vegas, sa Henderson, just south of Las Vegas. Tapos malapit na tayo sa Lake Mead Recreational Park din. So this is about 25 minutes sa airport at saka mga around 30 minutes sa Las Vegas Strip. So tingnan natin yung paligid. So they're still pretty new. So bago-bago pa talaga. Ang dami pa nilang ginagawa dito. So, yan. So, pero ito yung mga model home right here. And it has a great view sa lake. Okay? So, ito yung makikita nyo dito. This is the model home. But they sell yung mga spec homes, yung mga speculative homes. So, pre-selected na yung options. But it's close to malapit na siya, yung model sa loob ng mga spec homes is pare-pareho siya sa mga model homes. It's they make it sure na it's as close as the option sa loob. So tingnan natin dito sa gilid. So on the right side, yung may wall na brick. Tapos yung front lawn nyo, it's gonna be taken care of sa builder, kasama na yan. Pero yung backyard, it's gonna be dirt pag move in nyo. And then kayo na bahala para at least ma-personalize nyo yung backyard nyo. And they have pavers na yung driveway. And as you can see, 2-car garage. Okay? Tapos nandyan yung gate dito sa gilid. And I think there's like one more house na gagawin dito pagkatapos. Alright, so yun yung view dyan. Tapos sa likod ng bahay dito, marami pang gagawin ng mga bahay dyan sa likod. Okay? So pasok tayo. So para siyang may front porch na maganda. It's a good thing. Big doors. Malaki yung front porch. Pasok natin. It's good. Big hallway sa loob. Okay. Tapos yung flooring nila is vinyl planking. Parang plank. So, parang acrylic siya. Ganun, you know, it's kind of like plastic. Pero mukha siyang wood. But it's really vinyl. Okay? So, makikita nyo, malaki yung hallway dito all the way across. Papunta sa backyard, makikita nyo na yung parang malaking sliding door dyan. Okay? Dito naman sa right side natin, nandito yung dalawang room at saka yung full bath. Isang full bath. Okay? Dito muna tayo sa first bedroom. So, itong first bedroom. It's nice. So, malaki rin siya. Tapos yung bintana niya, nakaharap sa front ng bahay, sa street. Okay? Tapos may closet siya with the sliding doors. It's pretty nice. Tapos, if you could see sa taas, may ano na dyan, yung fire sprinkler. It's kailangan yan sa Henderson. So, all the new homes have the fire sprinklers. And then, makikita nyo yung nasa taas na vent, parang air-through vent, you know, para yung air, it goes all throughout the house. Hindi siyang na-vacuum sa isang room. Okay? So, dyan. And then, paglabas natin, dito sa right side, ito yung first full bath. So, ito, parang yung dalawang room dito, they share this. So, they've got the quartz counter, tapos may double undersink. Tapos yung bathroom storage or cabinets. Tapos yung malaking bintana, salamin dyan. Okay, it's pretty nice. It's got like a window. And then dito sa left side, may storage, linen storage. Okay. It's pretty big. So may ano siya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves. Tapos dito yung combo shower and tub. Combo shower tub. Okay. So yan dyan. And of course yung toilet. Okay, tapos paglabas natin, sa katabi dyan, yung second bedroom na naman. So, itong second bedroom. So, I think that's full size or queen size bedroom. Tapos may bintana nakaharap sa gilid ng bahay. Okay. It's nice. So, pretty big space. Tapos, dyan, dito yung closet niya. Okay. Okay, so yun yung second bedroom natin. So balik tayo uli sa labas. Ito, dito sa malaking hallway. Tapos, pasok natin dito. So yung left side, yung kitchen. And then, straight ahead, yung dining room. Tapos may malaking sliding door, tapos may isa pang sliding door dito. So again mga kabayan, ito, model home lang to. So it's not gonna be exactly what you're gonna get. Pero most likely, as close to this yung gagawin nila na spec homes or speculative homes. So pre-selected na yung mga options na gagawin ng mga builder. Okay? And spec homes are better, mas maganda yung deals nyo dyan kaysa from building to the lot in my experience. So ito yung living room nila or family room. So maganda rin. May dalawang bintana dyan, each side. Kung lalagyan ng TV dyan. It's pretty good. Tapos may malaking sliding door. I think this is an 8x8 sliding door. And as you can see, may covered patio that goes all the way to the dun sa dining room area. Okay? So malaki na yung patio cover dyan. Tapos dun sa labas, mas malaki pa yung space sa backyard. Okay? So yung likod nyo, it kind of be parang ganito na yung itsura yung sa likod, yung fence. But it's gonna be dirt for now. Pero itong pavers kasama na yan, per depende sa builder, they might put the other one too, na may paver dyan sa labas. So depende yan sa builder on how they give you the deals. Okay? So yun yung backyard natin, and ang ganda pa ng view dito, wala talagang harang. Walang bahay na makikita kasi all single stories. And then you can see kita yung mga bukid. So dyan. And then dito sa gilid, gilid naman, ito yung parang dining area nila. Tamang-tama lang yung lamesa. And of course, yung sabi ko na may sliding door, so at least kita yung view sa labas habang kumakain. Okay? Tapos dito naman, katabi, yung kitchen. Okay? So, dito muna tayo. Parang may, ito yung pantry dito. It's a good size pantry. And again, kikita nyo yung fire sprinkler. Each room may fire sprinkler talaga yan. So, may 4 na shelves. Looks pretty nice. And again, yung counter nila is quartz. So, you can see yung kitchen counter. Ang laki talaga. Tapos yung sink. Nasa gitna. Single sink. Undermount. Tapos stainless. That's pretty nice. Okay. So yung appliances hindi kasali dito, but yung yung dishwasher, microwave, and oven top. Okay. So dito nakikita nyo yung storage sa baba. Madami din. So let's see. Yeah, I think this is like a soft close na drawer. And tingnan natin yung cabinet dito sa baba. It's pretty nice. Soft close rin siya. Tapos yung backsplash niya, nagmamatch sa counter, puti. Kind of light. Tapos yung cabinets. And it goes almost all the way up there. I think this is like a 46 inches na cabinet. So some models umaabot sa ceiling talaga. Tapos yung cabinets nila is soft close din. So parang kapag isasara mo, hindi siya mag-slam dito. Mag-stop siya diyan. Okay, tapos yung stove top, tsaka yung oven sa baba. And I think they have like a grill burner dito sa gitna. Okay. It's a nice feature. Tapos yung microwave. And then may vent sila sa usok palabas. Okay? So kung magluluto ka dito, especially kung magluluto tayo ng isda or tuyo, buwad. So yung usok, yung aso, tsaka yung amoy, hihigupin dyan sa ventilation. That's it. Tapos dito naman, sa harap dito, marami pang cabinet, storage. Tapos nasa gitna yung fridge. Okay? Tapos, maganda dito, nandito na yung laundry. Katabi ng kitchen, Habang nagluluto ka, pwede ka maglalaba. And then, nandito sa gilid yung cable management for the modem and yung router. Pero ngayon, parang na yung mga modem ngayon all-in-one, 2-in-1, router and modem. Tapos may cabinet and that's optional. So, pwede nyong ipalagay dyan if you want it, Tapos na yung dishwasher. So, hindi kasali yung dishwasher. And then, you could always ask the builder kung gusto nyong i-add. Pero ito, kasama na to dito, yung counter. Okay? Tapos dyan, papuntang, yun yung garage. Okay? I'm not sure if it's open. Sarado yung garage. Basta 2-car garage yan. Tapos dito, parang yung coat closet. So, pagpasok mo galing garahe, may coat closet ka agad dyan. Or lagay mo yung sapatos mo dyan sa baba. Okay? Yan. It's pretty nice. Tapos, paglabas natin, we have one more room, yung master bedroom. Okay? So, again mga kabayan, kung titingin kayo ng mga bagong bahay or mga new builds dito sa Las Vegas or Henderson, mas mas mabuti na kasama nyo yung realtor nyo. Kahit sino, yes, kagaya ko, at least matutulungan kayo dyan pag-negotiate at saka sa mga deals. Kasi of course, yung mga salesperson dito, they're working for the builder, so yung best interest nila hindi sa inyo. But, kung may buyer's agent kayo, like me, I could help you, give you better deals at saka mga incentives. So, kung pupunta kayo dito, call or text me muna, and then I could go with you from start to closing. Tapos ito na yung master bedroom, okay? So, pagpasok natin, it has like 4 windows. So, dyan sa may bed, sa gilid, at saka sa harap ng bed. Yan. So, maraming liwanag talaga. Okay? And I think this is a king size bed. It's pretty nice. Okay? Tapos dun, diretso, malaking pathway papuntang master bathroom. Okay? Pasok tayo sa master bathroom dito. So yung flooring nila sa master bath, parang tiles na glossy. Okay? Tapos may tub sila. Separate tub and separate walk-in shower. Okay, so maganda yung tub, malalim. They've got this wall, parang maganda to na parang eggshell wall. Matibay yan at saka hindi siya masyadong madaling madudumihan. Unless lagyan mo talaga ng pentel pen or something. Pero kapag mga regular na mga dumi, maganda siya tapos mabilis na matanggal yung dumi. Tapos yun yung walk-in shower. Tapos may parang tiled na wall yung walk-in shower. Tapos sa harap naman dyan, yung double sink, undermount sink, white color quartz countertop, plus maraming storage, para sa his and hers or your partner. Tapos malaking salamin or mirror dyan. It's pretty nice. So dito naman tayo. Dito na yung toilet on this side. Tinanggal lang yung pintuan, pero may pintuan yan. And then sa tapat dyan, parang linen storage dito. Okay, so may siya, may 5 shelves. So marami kayong tuwalya, kumot, unan, or whatever stuff na pwede nyo ilagay dyan. Kasyang-kasya dito. And then, dito sa dulo, ito yung walk-in closet. It's pretty nice. Malaki talaga siya. Kasya yung mga damit ni Mrs. Siguro ka Mister, konti lang. Or depende, may ibang Mister na marami. So yan, that's a walk-in closet dito. So ito yung walk-in closet inside the master bath. Okay? So mga kabayan, ito na yung national na model dito sa Lenar, dito sa Lago del Sol Falls Community. Again, itong national na model, it has 2,310 square feet, 3 bed, 2 full bath, 2 car garage, single story ito, and then the base price starts at 639,990. So mga kabayan, kung may mga tanong kayo or comment lang sa baba dyan, or you could call or text me sa whatever concerns or mga tanong na gusto nyo, I'll try to answer it sa lalong mabilis na panahon. And then, yeah, hopefully I could help you with anything else. Kahit hindi new builds, kahit hindi dito sa Lake Las Vegas, kahit sa Las Vegas City, I could help you with that. Resale or new builds, I'll be happy to help you. So yung mga kabayan, sa susunod na tour na naman, ito si Mariloni with Kabayan Homes LV. See you next time. God bless, mag-ingat, magdasal palagi. Bye-bye. Kung ito na ang hinahanap mong bahay o gusto mo ng mas maliit, mas malaki o nasa ibang lokasyon, kahit resale man yan, masaya akong tumulong sa'yo. Call, text, email o mag-comment ka lang sa baba kung may tanong ka. Nandito lang ako, ready to help. At kung gusto mong updated sa mga bagong tours at tips, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat sa panonood.